Happy morning, children. How are you? I hope everyone is fine with your family. Welcome back to Sheba Group online class. Children, today I am going to teach you how to write your maths classwork. Come on, let's start our class. Students, if you have your classwork, please turn the classwork and see 288 pages maths rule to write your maths classwork. Again, I am repeating, children. Take 288 pages maths ruled note. Now children, open your classwork. In the first page, you have to write name, class, 5th standard, subject, maths classwork. Again I am repeating, children. In the first page, you have to write your name, class as 5th standard and the subject maths classwork. Now turn the page. Now we are having a fresh page. In the fresh page, you are going to draw 2 lines in the first and third line. Leave the second line to write the lesson name. Again I am repeating, draw 2 lines with your scale and a pencil. Sharpen your pencil and draw 2 lines in the first and third line. Leave the second line to write the name of the lesson. Students, now we can start writing our maths classwork. Every time whenever we are writing our classwork, first thing we have to do is write the date of the classwork. So write the date in the margin side, children. Mention it as 4/9. So I already told you we have left one line. In between the lines we have drawn there. So in the second line, write the name of the lesson. The lesson name is numbers. So use capital letters for L and N and write neatly, children. Use only the blue stick pen. Whenever your pencil is blunt, please sharpen it and write. Use the pencils frequently, children. So don't use any other cartridge pens or something else or black pen to write your maths classwork. Use only blue stick pen, scale, eraser, pencil and a sharpener is enough. So now we can start writing, children. Write the lesson name, numbers. Lesson space numbers. NUMBERS, numbers. Now after writing this, leave one line. Now we are going to write the exercise number and the book page number for your future reference. So exercise number is 2.3, book page number 23. Again I am repeating, exercise number 2.3, book page number 23. So first Roman letter of our exercise is placing commas and write the number names. Placing commas and write the number names. Whenever we start writing the heading, first letter should be in capital and use finger gap to separate the words, children. And now after writing the heading, leave one line. Now start writing the A serial number in the margin. They have given you a number. What we are going to do now? We are going to separate with the commas. This one is known as comma. You already know it. After separating these number with the comma, we are going to write the number name for the above number. Clear? So first in the number comma போட்டு split பண்ண போறோம். Split பண்ணிட்டு next thing நம்ம அந்த நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு number names எழுத போறோம். Clear, children? So the first sum they have given us 15731997. 15731997. Whenever you are writing, you must be careful in maths. While copying the numbers, careful, spell it and write. Don't scribble, children. Now leave one line. Write the number again. 15731997. Now take your pencil, sharpen your pencil. Now we are going to write the place value of the number. In your previous classes, you have learnt only till 1000. Here, few more place values are added. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கற்றுக்க போகிறீங்க. Let me explain you from the ones position. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Again I am repeating, remind this children, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore. So after writing this you can put a comma. So crore நம்போது அந்த crore-க்கு comma, lakhs-க்கு comma, thousands-க்கு comma, and then leave this as it is. Clear children? crore-க்கு comma, இந்த lakh sequence-க்கு 10 lakh-கோ lakh-க்கோ சேர்த்து comma, 1000-க்கோ 10,000-க்கோ சேர்த்து comma, and then leave this 100 tens ones as it is. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம், இந்த நம்பரை கம்மா போட்டு எழுதியாச்சு. Now we are going to write the number names for that number. So for writing that you have to use your blue stick pen children. Leave one line, start from the margin. First letter should be in capital. 1 crore 57 lakh. 1 crore 57 lakhs. 31 thousands. 31 thousands. I am insisting yes for you. 997. Clear children? Now look this. 1 crore 57 lakhs 31 thousands 997. Give sufficient finger space and write children. First letter should be in capital. While writing thousands and lakhs, don't left the letter yes. Yes letter விட்டுட்டு எழுதாதீங்க. It's very bad thing. So 1 crore, again repeating children, 1 crore 57 lakhs 31,997, full stop. After completing this, draw a line to represent the completion of that sum. Students, now take a fresh page to write the B sum. The number is 341964. Again we are going to separate this with the commas and going to write the number names for the above number. So where we have to write the B children, in the margin, and copy the number properly, 341964. After writing this, leave one line and in the center write the number again, 341964. Now sharp your pencil children. Take your pencil. Now mention the place value. Now 4 in the position of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. Again I am repeating, ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So we are going to separate with the commas. So lakh-க்கு மிஸ் சொன்ன மாதிரி comma, thousands-க்கு comma, and then leave 964 as it is. Clear children? lakhs-க்கு போடுவோம், crore-க்கு போடுவோம், lakhs-க்கு போடுவோம், and then thousands போடுவோம். ஸோ அதே மாதிரி இங்கே crore இல்லைனால lakh-க்கு ஒரு comma, 10,000-ம் 1000 பொசிஷன் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூவும் சேர்த்து comma 964 அப்படியே விட்டுருங்க. Okay, clear children? Then now we are going to write the number name for the above numbers. For writing, leave one line, start from the margin. First letter should be in capital. 3,41,964. Again I am repeating, 3 lakhs. மிஸ் ஏமஸ் இங்கே வந்து நீங்கள் க்ரோருக்கு எஸ் சேர்க்கலன்னா பிகாஸ் க்ரோர் ஆஸ் ஒன்லி ஒன் வேல்யூ, 1 crore. சரியாம்மா? ஸோ 1 crore-ன்னும் போது நம்ம க்ரோர்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டோம். மோர் தென் 1 இருந்தால் தான் நம்ம 2 crores 3 crores சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ அதனால தான் இங்கே எஸ் போடலை. கிளியர்? ஸோ லுக், அப்சர்வ் திஸ். 3 lakhs 41,964. Let me spell the important words. Lakhs, LAKHS, lakhs. Thousands, THOUSANDS, thousands. Hundred, HUNDRED, 100. And after writing this, leave one line and draw a line with your scale and pencil to refer that the completion of the sum. Now we are going to write the second Rome letter. For that, leave one line. If you have a space, you can continue there itself, children. Otherwise, you can take a fresh page to write the second Rome letter. Second Rome letter we are going to start now. So write the 2 serial number in the margin. Write the following numbers in standard notation. Again I am repeating. Write the following numbers in standard notation. If you have the space in the same line, continue the standard notation in the same line itself. Otherwise, just use the next line, children. So give finger gap and write. It will look your notebook neat. After writing the heading, leave one line. Write the serial number A there. Copy the numbers. Here they are given you in an expanded form. We are going to write in a shortened form. So that is called standard notation. So expanded formula கொடுத்துட்டாங்க நம்ம அதை வந்து shorten பண்ணி எழுத போகிறோம். So let me read the numbers. 30,000 plus 3,000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 3 equal to 30,000 plus 3,000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 3 equal to. Now we are going to write the answer, children. Again I am repeating, if you have a space over there in the same line, you can continue after the margin, or else write it in the next line. So 30,000, 3,000, 333. 33,333. After writing this, leave one line. Now write the B serial number in the margin. 80 lakh plus 70,000 plus 3,000 plus 30 plus 5. 80 lakh plus 70,000 plus 3,000 plus 30 plus 5. Now we are going to write the answer. Before that, let me explain this. Ones, tens, 100 is not there. 1,000, 10,000, lakh is not there. 10 lakh is here. So what are the numbers? Place values absent here, children? Lakhs and the 100. So we have to put 0 for that place value position. Clear? So we are going to write the answer now. 80 lakh, 73,000. 100 position is empty. So we are writing 0 there plus 35. Clear? 80 lakh, 73,000. 100 is place value is not there. So we are writing 0 for that place value and 35. Clear, children? After completing this, use your scale and your pencil to draw a line, and don't use your free hand. It will look your note horrible. So use only a scale and a pencil to draw wherever necessary. Our next Rome number is 4. We are going to write the expanded form, children. So take a fresh page. Write the number, serial number in the margin. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Give a finger gap and write neatly. First letter should be in capital. So if you have a space, you can continue in the same line. Otherwise, continue in the next line. After writing the heading, leave one line. Write the serial number as A in the margin. Leave that line, children, to write the place value. In the next line, copy the number 63570. That means 63,570. So sharpen your pencil. Take your pencil. Write the place value with your pencil. Start from 0, ones, tens, 100, thousands, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s. After writing the number, children, leave one line. We are going to write this number in expanded form. For thousands, 10,000s, we have to write 4 zeros, and for 1,000, 3 zeros. For 100, 2 zeros, tens, 1 zero, and ones place value as 0. So write it as 0. So let me explain you. 60,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 0. Clear, children? 60,000. Write the zeros counting properly, children. If we add one more zero to this, it becomes 6 lakh. So write only 4 zeros. Then 3 zeros for 1,000, 2 zeros for 100, 1 zero for tens. Clear? 60,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 0. After completing this, leave one line. Now write the B serial number in the margin. We are going to write the number. Now leave that line, children. Start from the next line from the margin onwards. Here I have written 1,45,70,004. 1,45,70,004. Now sharpen your pencil. Take your pencil. Start from the ones place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. I am repeating again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now we are going to expand it. For 1 lakh, how many zeros, children? Let me count it and tell you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros for crore. 1 crore plus 40 lakh. 40 lakh. So 1 zero will be reduced. 6 zeros you have to write. 5 lakh. 5 lakh ka how many zeros you have to write? 5 zeros plus 70,000 plus here we don't have the value for 1,000, 100 and tens. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. The ones place values number is 4. Clear? Again I am repeating. 1 crore plus 40 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 70,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. Students, write the plus sign wherever necessary. Don't forget to write in expand form. Then the whole sum will get wrong. So write it neatly. Don't scribble. Use your blue stick pen to have a good and neat handwriting. Whenever you are writing, spell it and write so that you will get the knowledge of reminding the sum. So after finishing this expanded form, take your pencil and scale to draw this line. And at last you have to write parent sign. It is very important to get your parent signature, children. So don't forget to get your parent sign. Children, I hope everyone understand how to write your maths classwork. Remind all the instructions I have gave you, and see you in the next class, dears. Until then, bye. Have a wonderful day.